Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about food. Food is very important in every culture. When you eat with friends, you want to be polite. You want to say that the food is good. You want to show that you are happy with the meal. We will practice many ways to say I like it. We will learn how to give nice compliments. This lesson is for people who want to speak English clearly and slowly. We will use simple words. We will repeat important sentences. This will help you remember them better. Learning English should be fun and useful. Let us start our lesson now. Please listen carefully to the sounds of the words. Pay attention to how we use names. We are ready to begin.
Hello, I am Sarah. Today, Mr. Only and I are in a kitchen. We are cooking a big dinner together. Mr. Only is making a special dish. I am making a fresh salad. The kitchen smells wonderful. It is a warm and friendly place. In this lesson, we will show you how to talk while you eat. We will talk about flavors. We will talk about smells. We will talk about how much we enjoy the food. It is good to use simple English when you are eating. You do not need big words to be kind. You just need the right words. I am excited to share this conversation with you. Let us listen to the dialogue between Mr.
Sarah, the dinner is almost ready. I am putting the plates on the table now.
Thank you, Mr. Oni. The table looks very nice. I am bringing the salad. I hope you like the dressing I made for it.
I am sure it is great, Sarah. Everything you make is delicious. Let us sit down and eat.
Mr. Oni, please try the soup first. It is very hot, so be careful.
Thank you, Sarah. I will try a little bit. Oh, Sarah, this soup is wonderful. I really like it. It is very warm and tasty.
I am so glad you like the soup, Mr. Oni. What do you like about it? Is it the salt or the pepper?
It is the cream, Sarah. The texture is very smooth. It feels good to eat. You are a very good cook, Sarah.
That is very kind of you to say, Mr. Oni. Now, Mr. Oni, I want to try the chicken you cooked. It looks very brown and crispy.
Please have some, Sarah. I used a lot of lemon and garlic. Do you like the smell of garlic, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Oni, I love the smell of garlic. Let me take a bite. Wow, Mr. Oni, this chicken is amazing. It is very juicy. I like it very much.
I am happy it is not dry, Sarah. I cooked it for a long time at a low temperature. Do you think it needs more salt, Sarah?
No, Mr. Oni, it is perfect. The flavor is very strong and good. This is the best chicken I have ever had, Mr. Oni.
You are making me very happy, Sarah. It is nice to cook for someone who enjoys the food. Would you like some bread, Sarah?
Yes, please, Mr. Oni. The bread looks very soft. Did you bake this bread today, Mr. Oni?
Yes, Sarah. I baked it this morning. I like the smell of fresh bread in the house.
I like it too, Mr. Oni. It makes the house feel like a home. This bread is so soft. It tastes like butter, Mr. Oni.
I put a little bit of honey in the dough, Sarah. That is why it is a little bit sweet. Do you like sweet bread, Sarah?
I really like sweet bread, Mr. Oni. It goes very well with the salty chicken. This is a great balance of flavors, Mr. Oni.
I agree, Sarah. Balance is the most important thing in cooking. Sarah, please try these carrots. I steamed them with a little sugar.
Let me try them, Mr. Oni. Oh, these are very sweet and crunchy. I like the crunch, Mr. Oni.
I did not want to cook them too much, Sarah. Soft carrots are not as good as crunchy carrots. Do you agree, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Oni, I agree with you. I like food that has a good texture. This meal is a 10 out of 10, Mr. Oni.
Thank you, Sara. That is a very high score. I am glad you are full and happy. Would you like some dessert, Sara?
I am a little bit full, Mr. Oni, but I always have room for dessert. What do we have, Mr. Oni?
I have some fresh apples and some chocolate, Sara. It is a simple dessert.
Simple is often the best, Mr. Oni. I like fresh fruit after a big meal. It is very refreshing, Mr. Oni.
Here is an apple for you, Sara, and here is a piece of dark chocolate.
Thank you, Mr. Oni. This chocolate is very rich. I like it a lot. It is a bit bitter, but very good.
I like dark chocolate more than milk chocolate, Sara. It has a deeper taste.
I agree, Mr. Oni. It is a perfect way to end our dinner. Thank you for cooking with me, Mr. Oni.
It was my pleasure, Sara. I enjoyed the food, and I enjoyed the conversation.
Me too, Mr. Oni. We should do this again very soon.
Yes, Sara. Let us plan another dinner for next week.
Now I will explain some of the sentences we used. When I said, I like it very much, I was showing strong emotion. You can also say, this is delicious, or this is wonderful. These are all good ways to compliment food. Let us practice a few more short conversations. I will say something, and then Mr. Only will answer. Mr. Only, do you like the tea?
Yes, Sara, I like it. It is very sweet.
I'm glad, Mr. Only. I put 2 spoons of sugar in it.
It is perfect, Sara. Thank you.
Here is another one. Mr. Only, how is the pasta?
The pasta is excellent, Sara. The sauce is very spicy. I like spicy food.
I'm happy to hear that, Mr. Only. I used red peppers from the garden.
They are very fresh, Sara. I can taste the quality.
Let us try one more. Mr. Only, is the cake good?
It is more than good, Sara. It is fantastic. I like the strawberries on top.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I picked them this morning.
You always find the best fruit, Sara.
In these examples, we used words like excellent, fantastic, and perfect. These are stronger than just saying good. If you want to be very polite, you can say the food is amazing or the meal is wonderful. It is also good to say what exactly you like. You can say, I like the color, or I like the smell, or I like the crunch. Using specific words makes your compliment feel more real. If you are a guest at someone's house, always remember to say thank you for the meal. It is the most important thing to say. Practice these sentences many times. Speak them out loud while you are eating your own lunch or dinner. It will help you feel more confident when you speak English with others.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson today. Learning how to talk about food is a great way to make friends.
Yes, everyone loves food. It is a very easy topic to talk about. You can use these sentences every day.
Do not be afraid to make mistakes, Sara. Every mistake is a chance to learn something new.
That is right, Mr. Oni. Just keep practicing and speaking clearly. You're doing a great job.
We are very proud of your progress. Keep listening to English and keep talking.
Thank you for joining us today. We will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye for now. Have a wonderful and delicious day.
Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your next meal and practice your English.